Today, I'm touring a townhome in a secret landing community in Monroe, North Carolina. So, the first thing I want you to notice as we enter is the open space that you're going to have. You have a foyer, and once you go through your foyer, you go to the right, and you're just going to have a lot of open space. And keep in mind, this is an end unit. You're going to have that granite countertop with three seats, three bar seats can fit there actually. You're going to have a walk-in pantry and tons of cabinet space. So I want you to keep in mind too that this builder is offering a 4% closing cost incentive, 5.375% fixed rate 30-year for FHA, and 6.375% fixed rate 30-year for conventional. So take a look, continue viewing, and let me know what you think about this home in the comments. And we're going to go ahead and head upstairs. Once we head upstairs, there is a landing area if you wanted to put like a small petite chair, or even some people I know have put actual like a desk space or something like that right there. You can use this area for that. And then you're going to go to the left and you're going to have your secondary bedrooms, and then on the other side of the home you're going to have your primary suite. So far, if you're feeling this video, I want you to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. I'll be continuously bringing you new homes in our Charlotte region. And if you're interested in this home or any other community, please reach out to me and I'll get you connected.